Hey guys, this is Stebbin Horn, founder and inventor of Kudu Grills. We're so excited to introduce the Kudu Rotisserie. This has been in demand for some time, but we wanted to come out with something that was novel and different that no one had done before. So we created the very first ever single point rotisserie. What that allows you to do is move it anywhere you want over the Kudu fire cooking system. It doesn't go across the middle like every other product that you know of. That way, I can be smoking here, I can be sauteing here, and I can be using my rotisserie here. To put it together, it's three simple pieces. This is your main piece. This is what you're going to use to raise and lower the grill over the cooking system. It's very simple. You just put it here over the elevation bar, get the height you want, and then you tighten this bolt. You're going to grab this every time. It's not counter levered like the grill or the plancha, so you have to hold this when you want to move it up and down, or when you want to turn it side to side wherever you want it over your grill. So let's say that I want it here. I'm going to tighten that bolt. I'm going to leave that tight. Then you've got the actual spit bar, which we're going to just simply bring this into a single point, and there's this notch here that you're going to land on these wheels. So this locks it in. It's that simple. Now I've got this right where I want it. Then is the battery system mount. So this is battery operated, so you can take this camping, tailgating, anywhere you want. You do not need electricity. So you simply put this piece here, run it through the point, and attach the spit to it, to the battery. Then you'll eventually lock it down once you've got your spit in there. Once that's mounted, you tighten this bolt down to hold everything securely together, and you just turn on the battery. Now you're able to, if you want, move this anywhere you want, raise it, lower it, and now I can sit here and I can have my fire. I can be using my charcoal starters as an eye, like an oven, to run my saute pan or to smoke in. And I can be doing 2, 3, 4 things all at once over the Kudu. And just because I'm choosing to do something on the rotisserie, I'm not forcing myself to only do a rotisserie like you have to do on every other cooking system. That's the magic of the Kudu. That's what makes this so amazing and fun to use, not only for the person cooking, but for everyone around it to watch this all come together. So that's how you put together the Kudu Rotisserie. We hope that you get one soon and go and show all your friends what an awesome braai master you are.